I know you're probably thinking, who are you? Or he's back. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I'm excited for this. This is gonna be the craziest thing we've ever done. But if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, welcome back to Flight for Hype, man. It feels so good to start vlogging again. Like, this is crazy. The boys are on the way now. I'm actually gonna be going on a trip. So you guys are gonna see that, and you guys are gonna see a lot of crazy things happen, and hopefully everything goes as planned. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about what's going on right now. So right now, I'm about to go to Los Angeles. If you guys ever watched a TV show called The Circle, I'm gonna be meeting up with two lovely ladies on season 3, Ava Capra and Chanel Capra.
My name is Ava, and I'm going into The Circle, but she's bringing her sister.
Shout out to you ladies, because oh man, it's gonna be really crazy. So here's the thing, I bought these two ladies 2 pairs of shoes, 1 each, and you guys are gonna find out which sneakers they are. Comment down below what sneakers you guys think they are, because I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be really crazy. The place is a mess. As you can tell, I'm in my new apartment. I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek of what the hell my disaster house looks like. As you can see, it is absolutely destroyed. This is what, you know, it looks like when you pack, especially as a sneakerhead. You cannot decide what shoes to wear. And the crazy thing about this, I got home and my building is so freaking hot. Like, I'm not even joking, you guys. I am dying and I hate it so much. Oh shit!
You already know what time it is. I look like a contractor with this mask on.
This is why he's salty.
What's happening? You already know. When you travel essential #1, this needs to be at the top of the bag so you can be on the plane and get that gains in. You know what I'm saying? Like,
you're gonna do this on the plane?
On the plane, you just gotta just stand there. If your legs get tired, your arms get tired.
They're gonna like tie a girl up with that or something.
Pause. I'm not. Hey. Be careful out there. You can't be using that.
Lady, he's got bands.
Bands will make her dance. Hey, bands with Aveeno clear complexion facial wash. Facial cleansing.
He's just single, so like, ladies, like, hit him up, man.
This is why I'm salty. Right?
Ah! I did it!
Ladies and gentlemen, Jordan.
This is gonna be a fucking joke ass trip, dude. Oh, no way. No way, what is this? Salty by nature.
You already know.
Oh shit. Wait, is the website out?
Of course.
So then you can go
link in my bio on my Instagram, JJQuillan94, or if you want, just search up salty feed. That's feed, not feed. Everybody's trying to like salty feed. Why would you? No, it's salty feed. FEED. You already know what time it is. Link in bio.
Bro. Yo, you know what's crazy? You know what's the hardest thing about being a sneakerhead?
What?
Trying to figure out what sneakers to bring.
I was gonna ask,
bro.
Like, how do you even like?
I packed like 6 pairs.
Holy smoke! Whoa, these are insane.
Yeah. Fear of God ones. Yeah, man.
Gee, the whole wall is just like, ladies and gentlemen, just like, how y'all doing? No, I'm not drinking before the flight. It looks like I am, but I'm not. It's just time and place, you know. Like, this is actually not even before the flight. He's gonna chop this up, so.
Oh, this is definitely before the flight.
This is the end of the trip.
Okay. As soon as I snap my fingers, we're gonna be on the flight. Ready? Oh, we're on the plane now. We haven't been on a plane in a long time. Like, it's been a very long time, guys. I'm excited. This feels amazing. Like.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles. Local time is 10:05. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and cabin baggage stowed.
Guys, we are in LA now. Holy, we're taking a shuttle to the car. Guys, we legit made it to like GTA. JJ, where are we? Guys, so we have a bit of a problem. We got to LA. The car rental did not go well for us, and we took an Uber to our Airbnb. This is where we are.
Rent or bend? I'm not. There's nothing to rant about. It's just like, can we just like figure this out? Like, can we just be communicative and like, we're all people, we're all human, we're all just trying to, you know what I'm saying? We're all just trying to live life and like do what we can and do our part. We just want help, right? We just want help.
Need help, bro.
We just need help. Somebody help me.
Drip check. So, Salt, what are you wearing?
Salty merch, head to toe. You already know. Well, not head to toe, but like definitely, you know, the Salty by Nature hoodie. Just for the ones that don't know. And then the Salty hat, Salty fitted or trucker hat, whatever. Got some Adidas.
Hey, come back here. Let me see.
No.
Come on, let me see.
I'll go barefoot.
Let me see. Just 2 seconds.
Nope.
And then I'll stop making fun of you.
It's not making fun. It's
I'm making fun of you.
You're just putting me on blast.
Dude, this guy has Nike with Adidas, man. Oh my god, I'm putting you on blast right now.
It's actually kind of funny.
I hate you.
Do this on. It's super casual, you know, super casual, super comfy. I'm not trying to do too much, but you know.
Drip check, what do you got?
You know, just casual, comfy. Same as Salt, bro. I got the Uniqlo tee, can't go wrong. Got the Capital fleece, staying cozy. I got the Rick Owens Creature Cargos, Capital watch, just, you know. And then, got the Frankenstein Union. Shout out Foxtrot for the inspo, you know. Hey, yo, follow me on Insta. I'm kidding.
Alright guys, so today, Braid Up, Laces by Claudia, priceless. I've got this babe bag, it says babe all over it, priceless. I've got this hot box tee, one of one, priceless. I've also got these pets, priceless. And of course, I've got the off-white lot 33s.
Listen, this is no offense. It's just very funny. We're imitating a Key and Peele skit, so don't take offense to this. But hey, fucker, you taking a picture of my car for, you fucker? Yo, we're looking at bare classic whips right now. We got the Dakota 1893.
Yo, this is red. This be Trevor's car, yo.
Of course, this is
Red. It's not
the
red.
1893 Dakota. You already know. You guys stupid? This is crispy, bro.
Okay guys, we are at, well this is not Coolkicks, but this is like the other Coolkicks. Oh, the Patas, bro. Let's go check. How are you? Guys, we have the Patas in person. These are, yo, Dom, what do you think about these?
I think I need them.
Would you call this? Wow, these are actually fire, bro. Ooh. Man, look at these. God, it's all dunks. It's all run. It's okay though, we got one. It's okay. That's so sick. That's sick.
Didn't we sell a pair for like 200?
No way. The Bodega dunks.
I might have to buy it.
These are crazy. Yeah, I think I need these. Actually, honestly, I like these. These are
Oh, the
fire.
Hawaii's beside you.
Guys, let me know in the comments down below. Is this a cop or a drop? What would you think?
I can't pull it out, but I know you can.
Jay, what do you think?
Those?
Yeah.
Those are sausage.
Yo, they have the laser orange guns behind you. What? Oh, you got
Clot Sakai?
someone was selling your size the other day. 9.5.
Come
He
on.
was asking for 50.
Oh no. These are sick. How much? Alright, get Dom. If you can guess the price of this, I'll buy it for you right now.
320.
Are you serious?
I got it wrong. Bro, it's such a cap.
$1,000, man. Oh. What do you think about the In Flames?
I'd rather have the sun.
This is $350. This is actually not bad. Are those Crotros?
Yeah, Kobe Short.
Yo, those are crazy, man. This is kind of fire. It's like Kiss. These are crazy.
Fuck, cause we're grown. I hear that give it back to the city. She gone, she at home now. That is that.
Okay, so
There you go.
guys, I've been wanting this shoe for so long. The ambush dunk. Alright guys, so we are at Band LA and I just found, ooh, wait, what? $225. Kicks for the first time.
Hey, what's up, man? Welcome in.
What's up, man?
Hey, how are you doing? I'm good. How are you doing?
Good. Am I about to film in here? Yeah. It's the first time at Cool Kicks. We're from Toronto.
Hey, welcome in, man. Yeah, go around, take a look around.
Recording for the YouTube?
Yeah.
What's good, man? What's good, man? My boy pulled up. Cool Kicks, man. The best place to ever pull up. Just gonna let y'all know right now, man. We got lots of stuff over here, man. I got brand new shoes on the left. I got used shoes over here on the right. Everything else in the store pretty much is brand new. Let me know if you know something, man.
Sure, man. Thank you, bro.
No problem, bro.
I'm excited, bro. Oh my god.
Size 9. 15.
I want to buy shoes. Like, I really want to buy shoes right now. Like, I'm actually in the mood to buy some shoes right now. Right here. That's crazy, guys. Holy shit. Wow. This is crazy.
Santi, you got a camera?
Go? Really?
It's sick, bro.
I'm like freaking out right now. I had Ava and Chanel shoes. Forgot them in the Uber.
Yo! Jordan's freaking out because he's an idiot and he left with the sneakers.
Fuck, I had so much on my mind, bro.